Good evening, teacher. My name is Luis Aguilar, and today I am going to tell you about a film that I watched last weekend. While we watched the film, we had some popcorn and soda. We really enjoyed the film, and I recommend to watch it. Nowadays, I lived with my wife in a house. This house was a present from my father before he died. We lived in the first floor and my mother lives in the second one. About my neighbor, I don't spend much time with them. I know them, but I just say hello every morning, and that's all. They are very quiet people. I don't have any problem with them. I went to the supermarket and I bought my sister keeper filled with Cameron Diaz. It was a threatening drama film about a sister history. I was with my wife and unfortunately, my black is very nice with the song for now. Thank you.